we've got Ryan working on his hip internal rotation here. We've set him up in a 90-90 position, heel and knee in a straight line, knee and hip in a straight line. He's going to lengthen through his spine. He's going to lean forward ever so slightly, and then we're going to pull this heel straight up off the floor. You can tug on the band for a little bit of assistance. We're working on internal rotation. We're squeezing the glute here for 10 seconds. At the end of the 10 seconds, we're keeping the tension, and then Ryan's going to push the heel down to the floor. Down we go, and he's going to keep pushing hard into that resistance again. Okay, we're getting two different positional isometrics here, working on our hip internal rotation, and pull back up again. Beautiful. And the goal is each round we should just get that little fraction higher. Follow along, keep squeezing. Cramping is a good thing here, guys. It means you're doing it properly. Okay, push down last time, Ryan, and hold 10 seconds. Good job, man.